Alrighty, the work here is complete at the County Road 450 East grade crossing on the BNSF Mendota Sub east of Neponset, Illinois. As you can see, the new signals are on the new foundations now. Over there. And the old bungalow has been removed. I was here on May 31st and BNSF was doing the work here. And I got here just as they were removing the old bungalow. So, not sure if they moved the new signals on that day or if they did it a few days before and then removed the bungalow on the 31st, not sure. But either way, you can see the signals have not really changed at all. In fact, I don't think there's a single change to the signals other than the fact that they're on new foundations. Now the gates on these signals look a little too short now because they're a little further away from the road than they used to be. But other than that, yeah, they're basically the same as they were before. This thankfully still has the GS Type 1. And then get an overview up here. So yeah, BNSF is basically done with all the work now out in this area, out by Neponset and Buda. So now they'll be focusing on their efforts around Princeton. There's nobody now looking south. So yeah, this has been the update to County Road 450 East.